Alright, so I'm going to explain how to reassemble your headlight if it's popped in. This will happen if these clips that hold the headlight insert in fall out, and hopefully you'll have them still in here if it comes apart. So to take this apart, there are two Phillips screws in the bottom we're going to remove first. I'll speed through this or something. Now I can pull this apart. Alright, so these three clips need to be positioned evenly around the headlight, and they go in like this, in this direction. And they're a little tricky to put in, so I recommend starting by centering the headlight between these two posts, because once the clips are in, it becomes very difficult to rotate this and adjust it. So you're going to want to make sure, you see there's these three bumps here. Two of these bumps will line up here with these tabs that the screws go into, and that would be how your headlight is lined up. So now I just start by putting one tab on the top. So I'm gonna put one leg under the lip here, and it's not gonna go on top. I'm gonna put it right next to this bump here in the insert, and then use my finger to press it down under the lip. And you'll see it wants to push the headlight out of center, so you can kind of force it back into center. And then again, make sure that these two tabs line up with these two bumps on the headlight. I'm gonna fine tune the rotation here. All right, so now it's where I want it to be. So these three clips should be spaced out evenly. So I've got this one to the left of this bump here, so I'm gonna put this clip also to that side of this bump over here. So again, you just start by putting one leg underneath, and it goes in this position so that this flat portion presses against this flat portion here. Put one leg in first, and then if this is painful for your finger, you can use some needle nose pliers to grab the leg and to gently force it under. And then, like I was saying, it's hard to rotate this once all the three clips are in, so make sure you get it centered before you get all the clips in. Then once that's together, now you can just reassemble the headlight. There's this tab on the very top, and this will locate into the ring. So put that together first, and then come down here to the bottom and line up these tabs, and then it'll snap together. And now you can just put the Phillips screws back in. All right, so now it's fully reassembled.